Yeah, first sale of the day. Actually, this is the second sale. First sale wasn't open. Look, a big Xfinity box. Interesting. It's interesting. It's probably too old. I do need one, but that's 80211 AC. Although if I hook it up, Comcast will probably scream at me. Look, here's a laptop. This looks old. I don't know. Vista, Microsoft Vista. Oh, that's like 20 years old. Yeah, Hess
The one in
trucks.
front is for sale, not the red one. The green one. I bought it from a guy who had
Hello. Oh, pretty good.
I bought the red one.
The tennis rackets. These look like small gloves. I need bigger gloves. Oh, there we go. This is
I don't know, it ran when I stopped.
wash machine. What's it? Alright, so we're at a military garage sale that we always stop at, and we don't buy anything because these prices are kind of high. I like this. An old tool chest that would go good with, but the wheels aren't that good. It's just got a lot of old military stuff. You got a cot over there. A lot of old stuff. It's like Vietnam era clothing. You got a jumpsuit. They call it onesies these days. But everything he sells here is high priced. So it may look old, but he's got a radio going on in the garage, so I can't go in there. So I'll go quick. Here we go. So we got some tools here. Tools. We got this. And he's got some military. He's got some clips there. That's interesting.
Good morning, how's it going?
Hello.
Morning.
Pretty good.
Morning.
Morning.
There's the walker / bicycle guy.
What's
That was
it?
a nice bike.
Alright, so it looks like we're here early to a sale, and I'm looking for king size bedding. I don't see it. The people are still sleeping. So we're just gonna look at it twice. This is usually the area they put their military stuff out, but I don't see it. So I'm just gonna be quick. He's got a whole bunch of lamps. We come to this garage sale often enough to know. I said I'd be quick. I'd just make a quick once over. So I'm looking for chainsaw blades. A cell phone. We wouldn't have cell phones out. So just a quick once over. And just got a cash register. Electromagnetic system. Interesting. I mean, look at all these dials. It's kind of interesting how it is. Interesting. Spotlight. Old flashlights. Just a lot of recyclable stuff here. I would have already got the trash cans loaded. 3/4 of this would have been in trash cans. See, this is lawnmower season, so I'm looking for lawnmowers. There's an Atrium, there's diapers. See, he's even putting stuff out by the curb already. This is kind of cool. This thing, 1970s style, but what are you gonna do? And there's some microwaves. And found a cigar box. Is there cash in it? No.
You're right.
Now that's worth money there. That gauge.
That's Hot Wheels. That might be a collector's item.
Not for me though. Oh, look, a chainsaw. I kind of do need to. I can see that the blade looks pretty good. Of course, he wouldn't sell it for $5. That'd be okay. I'm a buyer at $5 for that right now. Hey, man, there's mannequins here. This is worth money. This is the thing that's worth money here. This, it's missing. It's missing.
Maybe they saw that yesterday. That was pretty cool.
Oh, those blades. Yeah, I'm in the market, but I need 9 or 10-inch blades.
The problem is there's nobody here.
Yeah, I know.
I would like to
Yeah.
ask about one thing.
Well, if we have to drive back to that other sale, we have to drive back this way. So it's kind of sad, but I know the chainsaw I'd be interested.
I would like to ask about this.
Yeah.
Because this is
Look at that drone. That's pretty awesome. Well, I don't think that flies though. That's too heavy.
Somebody opened that, so it's terrible already. Yeah, it's
Mm.
supposed to be like that. But so it means
We've seen this
probably-
once before, not this sale. We've seen it at a different
I
sale.
have a similar one.
Yeah.
You open?
It's not on.
No.
Oh.
Nobody's out here.
I know we're seeing items, but that we want to make offers on, but people are not here.
Works wonderfully. Self-propelled mulcher.
Looks like it was never used. This is interesting. Oh, this is a boot. So the boot goes on a car tire. Wow. Shark. Step. It's interesting stuff.
I know, exactly.
There's a hose.
Anything wrong with this?
Ooh, it's like a little TV here. This is cool.
I didn't empty it.
Ooh,
It
it's an
works.
element.
I got a different one.
See, it's kind of cool.
Most of the stuff came out of an RV when we moved here.
Oh, that must be an RV TV. Yeah.
And so that's what I used it for.
Okay.
And it comes down in 3 spots.
Oh, we have a little vacuum. Oh, here's a hemp box.
I actually
Like
don't. I
compass.
thought maybe in some of my camping stuff. You never know.
Ooh, look at the Can-Am. You selling your Can-Am? No? Okay.
Well, I told the other guy no, but I guess everything's got a price.
That's right.
We had a 2000 Winnebago Brave. We moved here 7 years ago from Colorado.
How much is your hose?
How much for your hose, dear?
Ours got destroyed in Irma. Not even Irma. Yeah. The hose, I had 15 hose.
Come on. There's RV hose. And, that's about it. That's it. Alright, so we got a nice table here. These are nice chairs, nice and padded. I need some furniture for my house. Just got another house. Just looking at this bike here, $40 on it. I like how it has. It's a cheap bike. This is simple, basic front suspension and a simple back. It's not worth that much. So here's some displays. Here's some nice, like a fire pit. I mean, I need to burn stuff, and this is a nice fire pit over here.
Look at that. What is that?
This is a printer.
Yeah. What?
Plus everything in the bag with it.
What is it?
It's a Cricut thing. It's you can make T-shirts with it, print off things with it.
So this
all
is
the paper
interesting.
comes with
It's a
it.
table fire pit,
I got it.
but the interesting thing about it is that it's got
Those are just
stores
air
the
fresheners
stuff that
you
falls
slide
down.
down and put 'em in your-
I would load the thing up and just set it ablaze. I'd probably ruin it though. A lot of outdoor furniture here. I mean, look at this. She's into ironing. Bookcases. I just had one of these. I put it up on the curb. It got destroyed. Wind blew it over and then it cracked, and I had to chop it up. A lot of quality stuff here. A lot of puzzles, Christmas.
Unless you're interested in looking
This is
at it.
awesome. I like that.
But this was the violin.
Beach Rescue.
Okay. Next.
Look at all these. She's got a lot of series. Look at this.
I have a viola. That's the only other thing I have. So out of the violin string family, yeah.
More looking for the guitar.
Oh, I used to have those. I already sold those.
Any ukuleles?
Nope.
Got some tablets or something over here. These are indoor antennas, yeah. I'm gonna make a unidirectional, not unidirectional, a multi-directional antenna. This is interesting. Okay, and then looks like a jukebox, and that's it. Morning. I got some plants, tarps, $5 each. A little kiddie pool. Finally found a guitar. Bass guitar, $55. For a bass guitar? I like how it has the big knobs on it. And it's a Galeri. It looks like a lead guitar, but it's a bass. It's got $25 written all over it. In my eyes. Let's see, it's got some paint. Sprinkler system, that's interesting. Nice seats. Hose. I kind of need a hose, but let me think about this. I gotta stick to my priorities. Hello. Oh, okay. What's we got here? Ooh, this is one of those.
So what happened? Your son was trying to play that?
My husband was starting.
I have the same type of combo for lead guitar.
Wow. These are the best. The cheapest ones like this are the best.
But he completely gave up.
Yeah.
Everything in this bin is 50 cents each. Interesting. Let's see. That's interesting. That's a 72. Put that aside. Yeah. And stick pads. Guys, I got plenty of this. What is this? Ooh. Rose hip shampoo. Alright, let's put that aside. Unscented. Carpet. This is cool. LED light. Section. Okay. Some clothes. That's good. That's good too. Okay, so we saw this fake German MP40 plastic gun that's missing but still it's kind of a cool. Let's see, it says uses BBs, it's an air gun.
The piece down there.
Yeah, these are the clips for the gun. Yeah, that goes onto it.
I
Yeah,
don't know if I can try that.
yeah,
I don't need to know.
it does. It does. That's the air gun this garage sale was talking about. Alright, so we got silverware and some gold plates and some survey stuff. 1970 record player, wire cutter, sledgehammer. Yeah, we got a bob here for looks like a pool cooler close to the pool. And yeah, we have a pistol holder.
Yeah,
Interesting.
but it looks pretty stiff.
Well, $25 for
Not
it.
real stiff.
On any of the fishing poles.
Say that again?
$5 on anything.
More fishing stuff.
On San Carlos.
Oh, I see another toy.
What's the name of that brewery in San Carlos where my mechanic died across? Remember?
Yabel? Yabel Brewery?
Yeah. Something like that. Your bell, something like that.
How much for your Laws rocket?
35 on it.
Does it come with a rocket?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, Oh, it ran out of battery. I saw one of those. Darn it.
If I had
Is it a bazooka?
No, it's fake. It,
a toy from
you
the
would, you would
80s.
press that, yeah.
Yeah, but it's a bazooka.
That's a,
It's a Laws rocket. You see, if you ever watch, if you see the movie Death Wish 3, Death Wish 3, they had this where the guy blows up the bad guy at the end with it.
well, what do you want on your?
It says BB. See, it's BB. It's not real. It's not real. Not real. BB. BB.
Everything you need to
BB.
make yourself some beer.
And all BBs.
Actually, all there's. Well, I got the mini kegs if you're interested.
Oh, this is a NiCad charger?
All the gross bottles in there.
What does this do? Does this recharge?
It's a battery charger, so for like RC cars or things like that, you use it to
Actually,
charge
hope
the
we're
battery
gonna
for
get to
this.
this garage sale yesterday. I saw all this,
How much
especially
you
the
leave?
gun over there.
I haven't seen that yet, but that's an airsoft gun. So I have a better one like this at home. So I don't know. I better stay to that one. Soda chargers. Interesting. Go through here once again. What's this? $25.
Hello. Tomorrow night, he wants to come tomorrow night.
Got a kayak if you guys are interested in a kayak.
Where?
Right there on the sign. Right here.
Oh, right here on the sign. Oh, okay.
In real good shape.
Sundolphin. Yeah, and slightly interesting. I have some other projects to go before I get into pleasure sports. How much are your comics?
I was asking 70 for the whole stack.
70?
And
Okay.
so there's
About 20 of them.
thing, and then these are
Green Hornets. Yeah.
full ones
Oh, okay.
for the that year.
$100 for your airsoft. Okay. Is this a BB or pellet or what?
Yeah, pellets. It shoots white BBs, little white BBs.
Oh, okay. Little plastic ones.
Yep.
Okay. Interesting.
They shoot about 100 yards.
Okay.
Hello.
That's your lowest price?
You make an offer.
Okay. Alright, so we have cat towers, $35 and 40. A little tiny one for $5. This is really interesting because I could use the rope for a mailbox. I want $40 for it though. Here's a pooper, and here's a $45 wheelchair. This is actually a good deal, and the wheels are in good condition. Usually when they sell these things, the wheels are terrible. And I like how it has these are pull back, so you can get, you know, some stair action going up backwards, lifting somebody up backwards up a stair.
I know, for garage sale. I'm buying
It's a little tiny shell lamp. Look at this, $5. I go to Fort Myers Beach and put some real shells in there. But this is a good idea though. So you have if the bottom opens up, you empty out these awful seashells and you put the good ones
the
in.
customers, I need to, you know, that's pretty hard.
Here's a
work.
travel book for
And
$10.
also make them always ready
Shopping for someone?
Everyone, yes.
Oh, okay.
They'll let me know if they want me to turn around and come back. And that's it. Just the wheelchairs of real interest here. I wasn't going to videotape this sale, but it's kind of big. So we got some Barbie homes. This is kind of interesting. Books are $1 each. This is interesting. We got some tableware. Look at him. What a cutie. Oh, I love him.
Thank you.
He is a cutie. Sorry. Oop. I kicked a Formula Pro. Some kind of juicer. Look at that Land Rover. $75.
Very nice. Have a good one. Thank you. You too.
Okay, this is kind of cool. These are little umbrella chairs. I don't know how you get them, how you lug that to the beach, but that's awesome. Wow. Here's a bicycle for you, man. Schwinn. Hey, man, a wheelchair.
It's a transport wheelchair. I have 3 of those.
It's only 15.
No. Oh, here it says 2, but I don't know.
Oh, no, that's a walker.
Yeah. It's a cane.
Whatever. Hey, here's a shitter, man. feed. All right. Ooh, 50 cents. Wow. Well, unfortunately, I'm not into that. All right. This fondue thing is cool. That is awesome. Get some of that. Vacuum. Candle power. I got one of these, but maybe I should buy another one. I don't know. I guess that's it. Then you have an inversion machine here, and that's it. Alright, so we got some American dolls here. These are expensive, but unfortunately I'm not a connoisseur of it. But these American dolls are very expensive. She's got a whole tub of them. I mean, they're probably worth about $20 each. And I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 of them. So that's $200 right there. We'll see. I'll ask. We'll see what happens. But this garage sale, I'm looking for guitars. Ask for guitars. These little tiny vacuums are good if you have a tile floor, not a carpet. They're really good. Someone lived in New York City. These shoes look nice. They look small. They look like size 9. Size 8.5. Alright. Ooh, this is a nice looking tool. There's a painter. Oh, it's a paint sprayer. I could do my fence with this. Interesting. Here's pneumatic. I needed a pneumatic tool for something. Do I still need it? This is interesting. Interesting. Is anybody home? I don't know. That's interesting. Coleman grill has a rotisserie for it. Pressure cooker. Tons of speakers. Here's a scale. This is kind of a cool one. But it's not, it doesn't look like it's in pounds. Here's a cable modem. Or it's a little tiny, it's a little tiny, it's one of those little tiny computers. Interesting. See, it doesn't have the video port, it's got the older ports on it. So this was an older computer. See, it's got the PS2 plugs. It looks like a newer computer because the case size, low profile, but it's got the older plugs, so it's an older case. It's got a lot. He laid this garage sale out. It looks like it's disorganized, but it's nicely organized actually. See, I could use some of these plugs. Here you go. Okay, that's CenturyLink. What's this? Well, here's an Xfinity box. This one looks newer. Interesting. It doesn't look like it has wireless though. It's got boosters. It's got signal boosters. Tugs. What's this? Oh, it's a light display. So this is like a gas mask or something. It's pretty cool. License plate. It's expired. Yeah, some propane. Some clothing and some chemicals. Let's see, do I need this? Not really. some tools. I like the post digger. I have one. That's a nice one. It's high quality. Well, it's rusted though. It's not that good anymore. That's it. All right, so this cart is pretty interesting. It's a nice utility cart. It's durable. Good for tools. What do you think about that? Nice chair. I have a chair similar to that. Snowboard. It's pretty cool. Some tennis rackets. $5 each. Nice. Here's a paintball gun.
My girlfriend's mom retired from there.
DVDs.
Oh yeah, they sit
It's an X-Acto knife. It's pretty cool.
Working there for a little bit, and we moved on to a restaurant instead.
Yeah, these CO2 things are. See, this is a nice little toolbox. It's got some wheels on it. I need some saw blades, so I want them here. It doesn't have any. I like that those will pull out though. Like that. There's a little boogie board. Looks like an American doll. A lot of Christmas stuff.
Oldies, but they still work.
And some CDs, and that's it. Alright, so this is probably the last garage sale of the day. This is a bonus sale. There's a radio playing. Unfortunately, looks like a lot of artwork. There's not much anything else. I'm not going to get too much closer because there is music playing over there. And some people are buying some stuff. It looks like a lot of antiques and a lot of stuff. And some rollerblades. And some tools. There's a Corona place. That's really about it. All right, recap. Today I spent $6.50. Let me go over the purchases. For 50 cents, I bought this Sunscreen 70. I use this same kind going to the beach all the time, doing beach bicycle rides. I can't wait to do it. Unfortunately, today I got Comcast showing up today, so it's going to ruin my beach video day today, so I'll have to do it tomorrow. For $5, I got this pneumatic nailer. I don't really need pneumatic nailer. I hardly use them, but when I do fence, I need to tack the fence before I screw it. So I like to do a quick tacking of the wood, and then I screw it in. So this just holds the wood in place so that I can screw it in. And then for $1, I got this old DeWalt. It's not lithium-ion battery, but I got it for the cutoff saw. And I'm thinking, well, if this still works, who knows? Then it would be worth it. But we'll see. So anyway, $6.50. So hopefully better luck next weekend.